No, I'm going to laugh. G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and here we are out and about at our friends Wurth. Now, Wurth have just purchased a brand new Coolius Y50 machine, and I'm here with Liam. He's their sales rep, and we're going to go in, we're going to set the machine up for them and give them some training on how it works. So let's head in, Liam.
Sounds good.
So we've just unboxed the fantastic new Coolius Y50 machine. Now the Y50 machine is for the 1234YF gas. So now we're going to register the machine for the customer. So now we've registered the unit. What we're going to do now is go in, we're going to put the customer's details in there and also set the time and date. So we've registered the machine for the customer. We've adjusted the time and date and we've put the customer details in. So now what I want to do is do an update on the machine. This update will be the latest software update. So all the new vehicles plus any updates to the actual software itself. So we'll do that now. Now we turn the machine off to do that. And then in my pocket I have a USB stick that I've already downloaded the updates on from the Coolius portal. I simply put it in to the USB port and turn the machine back on. Now the machine will automatically look for that update and it'll run through. And it'll take about 5 minutes. So we've just finished showing Chris and the boys here at Wurth how to use the Coolius machine and all its functionality. Now if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and the Wurth Coolius, it's ready for work. Take 67.
1 second.
So we've now registered the vehicle for the customer. Oh, it's not a vehicle. All right, you. So we've registered the... I was going to say vehicle.
Oh, it wasn't me this time.
I knew I was going to say vehicle then. So we've registered the unit for the customer. No, I'm going to laugh.